differentiate. So we got 3 questions here, A, B and C. In A we got function in terms of t, e raised to tangent t. We know that when we have e raised to t, only t, then its derivative is itself. But here we have more than t, not only t, we got tangent t. So we need to use the chain rule for this, okay? And what is the chain rule in terms of t, exponential function, e raised to some function u, let's say that's the inside function, and when we find its derivative, it's itself always, times from the chain rule we get u prime. So I'm going to apply that for A and find that f prime is, this is like e raised to u, when we find its derivative from this rule, itself e tangent t times derivative of tangent t. Okay, that's the u. Derivative of tangent t is secant square t, and I can finish. This is it. Okay, so that's part A. Let me do part B. F is sine of cosine theta. So let me erase this. So in part B we got here sine of something, some other function, and as we know, when we have sine of another function u and we want to find its derivative from the chain rule, derivative of sine is cosine of that u times from the chain rule u prime. So I'm using this rule for part B. That gives f prime theta equals derivative of sine, that's cosine of whatever that junk, which happens to be cosine as well, times derivative of inside function, derivative of cosine, that's negative sine, and we are done. Let me write this because this times negative, so negative to the front, we can bring sine theta, and that leaves cosine of cosine theta. That's final. That's for B. Okay, now we got part C here, sine of something. Oh, we can use the same formula. So let me erase this. Okay, so here u happens to be a little bit bigger than that in part B. So this is our u, sine u, and we're gonna apply the same formula. So y prime for part C, y prime is equal to, this is like sine u using the chain rule, cosine of u, which is bigger than this, so I'm going to leave this, cosine u times u prime, where u is tangent of 5x, tangent of 5x. Okay, we are not done because there is a prime. That means we need to find derivative of this, and this is not only tangent x, this is tangent of some function of x. So we have another chain rule here, tangent of u. So let me write that. What is derivative of tangent of u? When we have tangent of u, let's say tangent of u, derivative of tangent is secant square u times from the chain rule u prime. So I'm going to apply this here, and our new u happens to be 5x. Okay, so this is cosine of tangent of 5x times derivative of tangent, the secant squared u 5x times derivative of 5x, which is just 5. Now we are done. We may leave here, but let me write in correct order. Okay, that means this 5 at the very beginning maybe secant square, simpler function, then cosine of this junk tangent 5x final.